Hi everyone, today we will know fascinating facts about the cucumber. Number 1. Cucumber contains most of the vitamins you need every day. Just one cucumber contains vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B5, vitamin B6, folic acid, vitamin C, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and zinc. Feeling tired in the morning? Put down the caffeinated soda and pick up the cucumber. Cucumber are a good source of B vitamins and carbohydrates that can provide that quick pick me up that can last for hours. Are you tired of your bathroom mirror fogging up after a shower? Try rubbing a cucumber slice along the mirror. It will eliminate the fog and provide a soothing spa-like fragrance. Number 4. Are you grubs and slugs ruining your planting beds? Place a few slices in the small pie tin and your garden will be free of pests all season long. The chemicals in the cucumber reacts with the ammonia to give off a scent undetectable to humans but drive garden pests crazy and make them flee the area. Number 5. Looking for the fast and easy way to remove cellulite before going out or to the pool. Try rubbing a slice or two of cucumbers along your problem area for the few minutes. The phytochemicals in the cucumber cause the collagen in your skin to tighten, firming up the outer layer and reducing the visibility of cellulite. Works great on wrinkle too. Number 6. Want to avoid a hangover or terrible headache? Eat a few cucumber slices before going to bed and wake up refreshed and headache free. Cucumber contains enough sugar, B vitamins, and electrolytes to replenish essential nutrients to the body lost, keeping everything in equilibrium, avoiding both a hangover and headache. Number 7. Looking to fight off the afternoon or evening snacking binge? Cucumbers have been used for centuries and often used to European trades and explorers for quick meals to the ward of starvation. Number 8. Having an important meeting or a job interview and you forgot about your shoes to polish? Rub a freshly cut cucumber over the shoes. Its chemical will provide a quick and durable shine that not only looks great but also repels water. Number 9. Are you out of the WD-40 and need to fix a squeaking hinge? Take a cucumber slice and drop it along the problematic hinge and voila, the squeeze is gone. Number 10. Stressed out and don't have enough time for massage, facial or visiting the spa? Cut up an entire cucumber and place it in a boiling pot of water. The chemicals and nutrients from the cucumber will react with the boiling water and be released in the steam, creating a soothing, relaxing aroma that has been shown to reduce stress in a new mother and college students during the final exams. That's all. Hope you will like it. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe my channel. So keep watching Hannah Facts. Have a good day.